Yo, chat. This is not a video, but yeah, my friend on Roblox, Cross, and she unfriended me for arguing in Dead Cells for not bringing a loot, and she left me to die, right? So she unfriended me because of that. So she said, let's play Dead Ocean. When I said okay, she left and she unfriended me. I'm putting her face on the screen right now. There she. So yeah, she unfriended me for no reason. She unfriended a content creator for unfriended me for no flippin' reason. But I'm not gonna let that stop me for my goals. She wanted to make a channel with me, but she doesn't want to. As you can see now, she unfriended me, but that's not gonna stop me. So if you guys like my videos, keep watching it, and like and subscribe. Peace.